Hi guys, welcome to the life of Lauren and Libby. Today's video will be our first ever vlog.
Roll the clips. So guys, now we're going to take the dogs on a walk and we'll take you along with us.
So we've just brought the dogs to the park so they can have a quick run around. We normally have 2 20-minute walks a day, but we've decided to bring them to the park today for a change. I think Libby's having more fun than the dogs. Pip, Simba! Pip, Simba!
First time I've ever climbed this, guys, so I'm very proud of myself. Now I'm going to go down the slide. Woo! I'm a bit big for that slide, but it's still the best slide in my whole entire life.
The boys are currently having a quick run around. We've got them on the long lead, we can't let them off the lead just yet as they're still puppies. And not quite sure whether them two would run off, to be honest. They're loving this run around today.
So we're just having a little sit down. Pip's over there sitting down and Simba's decided to sit down behind Lauren. So yeah, we're just having a nice chill out at the park.
So Pip has decided to go lie down over there.
And Simba wants
Pip!
to fight with his lead.
And Simba wants to fight with his lead, as always.
Simba, can we chill out please? Mine?
The little troublesome puppy.
So we actually really like this park because it's got a massive grassy area for the dogs to run around and for us to like sit down and chat. And over there, I don't know if you can see, but there's a play area if I want to go around the swings or the roundabout or the slide, which you saw in our last segment. So yeah, it's kind of like what we normally do on a Saturday or Sunday. So yeah.
So we've just got home. The dogs have had a quick drink, and a bit to eat, and I'm just chilling here whilst Libby is off shopping with Mum. I'm sorry I'm having to show my eyes, it's just too bright in this garden.
Funny story about when we were in the shop. My mum was going to the back of the rack of chicken so that she could get a good bit of chicken for the dogs. And she fell face first into the whole rack of chicken. I didn't film it because I didn't know it was going to happen, so I didn't get the camera out, but I really wish I did because it was hilarious.
Right, so it's only 6:40 PM, but we're going to end the vlog here today. It's been a long day. The boys are tired. Boys, they are tired.
Very tired.
And I've got one of my friends coming round in a bit, so I want to like chill with her and catch up because I haven't seen her in a couple of weeks. So we'll be vlogging again tomorrow, but for now that's the end. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
On a quick side note, we have loved vlogging today, haven't we?
Yeah, it was really fun.
And we're definitely going to be vlogging tomorrow and continuing to vlog from now on. I'll be vlogging pretty much all day because I'm off university till October, and Libby
I will be vlogging on like weekends and stuff like that when I'm not at school.
and after school,
Yeah, or
before
like-
school maybe.
Or like maybe inset days that we have.
But you do finish school soon,
Yeah.
so she'll be vlogging then. And at the end of this month, we're actually going on holiday, so
There'll be a lot
that'll
of
be a lot of fun. But
And don't
I
worry.
just said vlogs.
Don't worry, there will be other videos apart from vlogs, like challenges and stuff like that. But
I've got the giggles again.
yeah, Lauren keeps
I've got
saying
every
this
time I video. I've got the giggles. If you check out the last video we put up, 10 fun facts about me, you'll see some bloopers at the end. where I can't stop laughing.
And then she forgot her birthday, didn't you?
I forgot my birthday and said I was born in September when I was born in June. So,
We didn't add that in because it had already been deleted, sadly. But yeah, if you carry on watching these vlogs, you will see Lauren mess up a lot more times.
just like that.
Yep. And putting her finger in the camera. And the dog's fighting.
Okay then, so that's it for Lauren and Libby today. The boys and Libby.
We hope you enjoyed this video.